Hi everyone, how's everyone doing? Welcome to my channel. My name is Tina. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today I'm going to make a couple of Halloween cards featuring products from AlinaCraft store. I'm going to use this Happy Halloween paper pad. I have some Halloween dies here that she just released for her Halloween 2022 and some stamps. I'm also going to bring in some stamps and dies from my stash from her shop. So I'm going to link everything that I'm going to use down in the description box below if you're interested. Let's get started. For my first card, which is really simple, I'm using this paper pad and I picked this paper for my background. So I'm going to go over everything I'm going to use. Here is my card base. This is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I took an orange cardstock and I cut it 1/8 of an inch smaller than my card base. So a little bit of the black is going to show. And then here is my pattern paper, which is 1/8 of an inch smaller than the orange cardstock. So that's going to be the first layer here. There was this piece left over, so I'm going to just put it here in the middle. And then I die cut it this shape in white from this nesting die set. Now, if she still has this in her shop, I will link it down below. You get so many pieces here. So I just took one of the medium sizes and I die cut it. So that's going to go there. And then I brought this Halloween gnome set. And this is from last Halloween. And I just put together 2 gnomes. And I die cut it the cauldron and one of the jack-o'-lanterns. Peppy's hair is everywhere. So I'm going to use these as my focal point. And for my sentiment, I brought this sentiment and coordinating die set. This one is, you have to have this in your stash. It has every occasion. It's got anniversary, birthdays, Mother's Day, Thanksgiving, Halloween. So I'm going to use the Halloween. And as I mentioned, comes with the coordinating dies, which I already passed it through my die cutting machine. So I'm going to play music and I'm going to put this card together. For my second card, I'm going to use this paper from this paper pad with the spider webs. And I'm going to go through again what I'm using. My card base is black, 4 1/2 by 5 1/4. I cut up a white cardstock, 1/8 of an inch smaller than my card base. And my pattern paper is again 1/8 of an inch smaller than my white cardstock. I brought this Halloween die. This is a border die. So if you haven't seen my unpacking video, I will link it down below. the top part has the blood drips and it cuts out the word Happy Halloween. So that's going to be my sentiment and border at the same time. And the bottom part cuts out this graveyard. So I'm going to use that. I'm also going to use this die set. I'm going to use the two ghosts and the two jack-o'-lanterns. And I brought this window and curtain die, and I just die cutted the window, so I'm going to use the window. Again, I'm going to play music and put this card together. And for my last card for today, I'm going to use this Halloween background die. And again, my card base is black 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I have a white cardstock here. This is 110 pounds that I cut up 1/8 of an inch smaller than my card base. And I'm going to make my own background by inking it up with Wilted Violet, Blue Sketch, Blueprint Sketch, and Black Soot. And it's going to be layered underneath this background die. I'm also gonna bring this die here with the Halloween trick-or-treaters. She still has this, so I'm gonna use these two characters here. And for my sentiment, I'm not sure yet. I might use this Happy Halloween. Again, I'm gonna play music and put this card together. So here is my finished cards. So for the first one, I just put a couple of enamel dots in orange and purple. And the inside, I just die cut it spectacular and I put the leftover strips. For my second card here, inside I just stamped, it's all just a bunch of hocus pocus. I put one of the witch die cut and the witch shoes and the leftover piece of cardstock here. And these are from the same die set. And the third one here, I just stamped Happy Haunting and I put the cat. This is from this die set, and the spider again from that die set. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, have an awesome day, you guys. Bye.